In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export H.264 MP4 in Adobe Media Encoder. By the end, you'll have a high-quality, widely compatible MP4 file ready to share or upload, and you'll understand exactly which options matter most. Start by opening Adobe Media Encoder. Think of the queue panel as your staging area. It's where you line up anything you want to export. Add your video by dragging and dropping your file straight into the queue. If you're working from Premiere Pro or After Effects, send your timeline or composition over by going to File, Export, Media, and then choosing Queue. That hands the job off to Media Encoder so you can keep editing while it processes in the background. Once your clip appears in the queue, look for the Format column on that same row. Click the drop-down and choose H.264. This sets the export codec and tells Media Encoder to deliver an MP4 file. H.264 is a great default because it strikes an excellent balance between quality and file size, and plays nicely on most devices and platforms. If you already see H.264 there, you're set. Next, choose a preset right beside it in the Preset column. Presets are pre-configured recipes that save time and guesswork. For a safe, general-purpose export, select Match Source, High Bitrate, which keeps your original resolution and frame rate and applies solid, visually clean compression. If your destination is YouTube, pick a YouTube preset, such as YouTube 1080p, or YouTube 4K, and Media Encoder will apply platform-friendly settings for smoother uploading and streaming. If you need a smaller file, say for quick previews or mobile sharing, mobile or low bitrate will reduce the file size by lowering the bitrate, trading a bit of detail for faster transfers. These presets also smartly match key settings to your source, so you spend less time tweaking. Now, set where the file will go. Click the underlined output file name on your item in the queue. In the dialog, rename the file to something clear and choose a save location you can easily find later. Confirm, and you'll see the updated path in the queue. The .mp4 extension will be added automatically. When you're ready, click the green Start Queue button at the top. Media Encoder will begin encoding your video to H.264 MP4, and you'll see progress indicators as it works. When it finishes, your exported MP4 will be waiting in the folder you selected, ready to play, upload, or share. That's all you need to reliably export an H.264 MP4 from Adobe Media Encoder.